Hello everyone! It's a great day here in Odessa. We're in a Greek park and we're about to start our real-time zoom around walking tour of the old town with a quiz. Let's go! I'm at Odessa's legendary site, the Potemkin Staircase. Its 192 steps have made Odessa world famous. At first, people called the Potemkin Staircase the gigantic steps. Why? Most of the guests were arriving in Odessa by the sea. The harbor is just down there. The first sight they saw was a huge, almost endless staircase. It really looks endless from the bottom up. So people called it the gigantic staircase. This cute old lane is one of my favorite places in Odessa. The monument to the Empress Catherine and Odessa's founders stood here for exactly 20 years. In 1920, the Soviets decided to put the statues away. And here comes my first question. Guess who they decided to put instead? I'm gonna give you 3 options. Try to choose which one is correct and put it in your comments. Join us on this real-time zoom around walking tour of the old town. Let us bring to you our beautiful city.